Hello friends, let us now learn some previous questions of PG Heimer. So first question, which of the following is or are true regarding the population growth in India? So regarding the population growth in India, the true are: first, during 1921 to 1971 it became double, yes, more than double, true. Then next, in 1971 population was more than 500 million. This is also true. In 1971 the population was more than 500 million. And C, in 1991 the population was around 1 billion. Actually no, in 1991 the population was 846.3 million. Then the next option, between 1971 and 2011, between 1971 and 2011 decadal growth rate is more than 20%. This is false. Actually, between 1997 and 2011 the decadal growth rate was not actually 20%. It was 20% till only 2001. If this statement was from 1971 to 2001, the decadal growth rate was more than 20%. In 2011, the decadal growth rate was 17.64. So this is not true. Then in 1921 to 2001, the decadal growth rate is in double digit, true. So these are the true statements. Next question. All are true about pasteurization except phosphate test is used to check the efficacy of pasteurization, true. In standard plate count, limit of bacteria is 30,000 bacterial count per ml. This is also true. Pasteurization kills 100% of bacteria. Actually, it does not kill 100% of bacteria. Pasteurization kills only 90% of bacteria. It cannot kill Q fever organisms or resistant tubercle bacilli is not killed by this pasteurization. Milk is heated to 125 degrees in ultra high temperature method, true. Methylene blue test is method of detection for microorganism in milk, yes, true. Then, so this is the wrong statement. Next question. Features about Anopheles mosquito is: Anopheles mosquito has spotted wings, true. It lays eggs in knot clusters singly. Then when the adult mosquito rests, it makes an angle to surface. Actually, Anopheles is not in angle. Culex and Aedes are in angle. So this is for Culex or Aedes. Larva makes an angle to water surface when it is at rest. So actually when larva will not make an angle, actually adult makes an angle when it is at rest. Adult inclined at an angle to the surface. This is true, but larva making an angle is in Culex. I got confused. Larva making an angle to the water surface is in Culex. Adult will make an angle to the surface in Anopheles. Next, white stripes on black body. This is actually Aedes, tiger mosquito, Aedes, right? So these are the true statements. Which of the following is a source of mortality related data? The Sample Registration System, Death Certificate, Births and Death Registration Act, all these are the sources of mortality related data. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct for the data? For the data, what is mean? Mean is sum of all these divided by number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Sum by 8 is mean. This mean will be around 9. Sum by 9 is mean. Mean will be around 76.2 when we calculate. And median is actually the middle value after arranging it in chronological order. So 70, 70, 70, So 1, so this will come to the end actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the fifth data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 75 is the median. 76.22 is the mean. What is mode? Mode is the maximum repeatable value. 70 is maximally repeated. So this is mode. So what is the range? Range is maximum minus minimum. That is 83 minus mode is 70. Median was 75 and range is 83 minus 70, that is equal to 13. Not 83, 84, sorry. 84 minus 70, that is equal to 14 is the range. Right? Next question. Which of the following are probability sampling? Probability sampling include cluster sample, simple random sample and stratified sample are the probability sampling. Cluster sample, simple sample or stratified sampling are probability sampling. These are based on the probability. Right? Then judgmental sampling is a non-probability sampling. Even snowball sampling is also a non-probability sampling. Right? So next, what is a judgmental sampling is non-probability sampling, where the researcher selects the units to be sampled based on their knowledge. Based on the people's knowledge, we will sample them. So these are not probability based, these are based on their intelligence. So it's not probability based. So judgment sampling is a non-probability based sampling. Whereas snowball sampling is also non-probability based sampling, where the subjects recruit the future subjects. So for example, if you see the drug users, so you will, or for AIDS you will see the sex the contact, sexual contact will be seen. So if you find a person with AIDS, you will now trace all the persons who are in contact with that person. Similarly, in drug users, if you trace one drug user, with the help of that drug user, you will try to find out even more drug users. That is snowball sampling. Okay. Then next question. Catheter placed in which type of color bag? Catheter is placed in yellow color bag, or you can also put it in transparent white color bag. Transparent white color bag also you can put it in, or you can put it in yellow color bag, which should also be used for putting in the samples. Then next question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the drug resistance tuberculosis of multi-drug resistance? First, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis is defined as drug resistance to rifampicin only. It is both rifampicin and isoniazid. Both isoniazid and rifampicin. Then, yes, this is true. MDR-TB is resistance of both rifampicin and isoniazid. This is false. It is only rifampicin and isoniazid, not these injectables. Then extensive drug resistance is this one. Extensive drug resistance is MDR-TB, that is isoniazid and rifampicin, and resistance to ofloxacin and kanamycin is extensive drug resistance. It is extensive drug resistance. Right? This is XDR-TB. Right. So next question. Which of the following is true regarding frostbite? Occurs at above freezing temperature? No, it occurs at freezing temperature. Reperfusion injury is more dangerous than frostbite? True. Rewarming should be gradual and spontaneous? True. Occurs at temperature below the freezing point? This is true. Intake of hot fluids promotes gradual rewarming? This is also true. Sorry, intake of hot fluids will also possess gradual rewarming. So, reperfusion injury and effect of cold stress is also important. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding the revised National Tuberculosis Program? DOTS plus kit is given free of cost. True, it is given free of cost. Minimum 3 sputum smears are done. No, only 2 sputum smears are done. New TB patient is a person with sputum positive who has taken drug for less than 2 months. Yes, this is new TB patient who is sputum positive. So target of cure, actually this is less than 1 month, so this is wrong. Target of cure is at least 85%. True. This is old, okay, according to 2014 it is 85%, but now it is 95%. Prevalence of infection in age group below 14 years is brought down to less than 1%. This is false. Next question. According to WHO recommendation, treatment of uncomplicated Plasmodium falciparum is artemether plus lumefantrine is used for treatment of uncomplicated Plasmodium falciparum. Thank you for watching.